Meaning of determinately.
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 Determinately. Determinately is an adverb that describes the manner in which someone does something, indicating a resolute and unwavering commitment or persistence. It implies that someone is firmly set on achieving their goal and is willing to put in the necessary effort to make it happen, despite any obstacles or setbacks they may encounter. When someone acts determinedly, they do so with a sense of purpose and drive that helps them stay focused and motivated even in the face of adversity, ultimately leading them to successfully achieve their desired outcome.